of danger.
Watching Nikki Z0603, and today we're at the Sendai Astronomical Observatory, and it's going to be a tour, and it's going to be pretty cool. A new Life in Japan series. Let's go. We're here, the Sendai Astronomical Observatory. There's the entrance. Let's go. And here's the sign. It says Sendai Astronomical Observatory, and it's pointing here, so it means the entrance is here. Let's get in. So just in case, they have those umbrella stands, so if you have an umbrella, you can just lock it up there. And we're in. Look at this, guys. It's a pretty big telescope. It says GOTO or GOTO, I don't know. And it has, it shows what it's where and how it's called. And so that's the first one. The second one that is right there is another big one. I don't know how it's called. It says, well, it's just a second telescope. And it's really, really big. It's like the one that I have times 10. Bought the tickets. Here they are. My mom, me, my dad, and my little brother. Let's go in and see some epic stuff, I guess. Let's go. So here we're at the 3-screen monitor, and those are the stuff that show up on this monitor, and it's a lot of stuff about space, and yeah. I think those monitors are like high quality. I don't know. Well, they're pretty cool. So let's go to the next place. So what do we have here? Earth. A spinning globe of Earth, and it lights up. That's pretty cool. It has everything that's on the Earth. And right here, we have our solar system. I don't know why the sun is that small. Oh, we have to push the button right here. Let's push it. Yeah, it's spinning. I never knew that the sun was that small. No, the sun was like 1,000 times bigger. So there's Earth with Moon and Jupiter, Saturn. I wonder why I didn't have. Oops. I wonder why I didn't have like Neptune and Uranus. I don't know why. They do have Mercury and Venus, Mars. They have everything except for Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Oh, and also there's another telescope right there. And this is like a telescope section. That's a big one. Okay, so it tells you to look at here. Oh, look at this, guys. I hope you can see it on camera. Okay. Can you see it though? I don't think so, but there's Saturn. We have this machine, a giant machine here, and it says, how are solar and lunar eclipses formed? Right here. So I guess we have to push this button and focus on that. I'm pushing it. So first let's see a lunar eclipse. So as you can see, the shadow of Earth makes kind of like a triangular thing that goes on the moon, and that kind of changes the color of it. And now, let's see how a solar eclipse is, how it works. So before I show you, we can already see a giant shadow of the moon. Okay, let's kind of move it right here. Okay, so now, if you look from this side, we can see that the moon covers the part of Earth, and that's how the solar eclipse is made of. Okay. And we have some pictures right here also. So here's the Earth orbital calendar, and let's go in and see what's in here. Okay, so this is a calendar. So here are the posters, and let's see. Mine is here. Mini here. Cameraman, please focus on this. This is mine, so I guess I have to move the Earth right here. I can't move it. I thought I can. So here is mine. I'm right here, and I guess I have to like somehow read this calendar. I don't know, but it's still pretty cool to have globe and Earth. Earth and yeah, and the sun. And this shows you all of the calendars. And I can't really read it, so I can't really explain. If I'm wrong, you'll be mad at me. So yeah, let's just go to the next one. Oh, hey guys, and here it shows you how the color of when the sun is down and when it's up. It shows you the colors of the sky. So let's see the evening. There's the evening button, and there you look at that part, and that shows you how it looks like in the evening. Let's just focus. I don't think you can really see it on camera, but now let's do it while it's okay. What? Okay. It doesn't work. I'm just gonna keep pressing. Okay, so that's how the color looks when it's lunchtime. I guess 12 o'clock. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's like the aurora. So when you press a button, it kind of shows you the aurora, like homemade. I don't know. Okay, there it is. That's pretty cool. I don't really know what it is. These are the different auroras that was caught on camera, and my favorite from these, I think it's this one actually. This looks really cool, like red and blue, or pink and blue, I don't know. Red and green also looks cool, but I think I like this one. So what do we have here? Here we have meteorites that fell on Earth. So let's close up. Here's one in there, stuck in the glass. And the other one, it's a smaller one. I don't know how scientists knew this was a meteorite, but it's still pretty cool. Here we have meteorites, and you can't touch one. How cool is that, guys? You can touch a meteorite. Okay. I'm actually afraid to touch one from space. Ah! Mom, don't make sound effects. Okay, it feels kind of strange. Like, I don't know, sand. Like, I don't know, kind of, it's sandy, but then when you look at your hand, there's nothing on your hand. Okay. Yeah, that's very cool. And here, there are other meteorites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that texture, guys. Look at that texture. It looks like an alien drew on that. Or maybe it's like an alien language, I don't know. This one has like a camouflage pattern on it. Like this one right here. Camo pattern. I don't know. Okay, so these are pretty cool. I don't know what this one is. I guess it shows the sun's core. When you look at this one and spin it, it's pretty cool. So, camera, action. So, as you can see right there, when I spin this, it does that. Right there. Right there. And that's really cool. I never saw that before. So, in this section, we have sun hotspots. Sketch the sunspot. So there should be paper right here, but apparently there's not. So you can just put paper and you can sketch those sunspots. Then you can just put a circle over it, and then you have your own sun. But why did they run out of paper? As you can see, guys, it says, sketch the sun. No paper. That's disappointing. Oh, hey guys, this is the moon. Oh. And it shows all of the moon craters. Okay. So, this is like the dark side of the moon and the light side of the moon that we see. The dark side of the moon. I'm not talking about the Transformers movie, guys. Yeah. You can see all the craters. Some of the ones are named, but not all, because there's like a million craters on the moon. And that's really cool. And right here, we have the cores of the planets. Here's Mercury. It has a gigantic core. Here's Venus. It also has a pretty big core. Here's Earth with a little egg in the middle. Okay. It also has Braille signs right here. In Braille, it's written in Braille, so blind people can see. And right here is Mars. Also has a big one. Jupiter. A pretty small one, and it's not red. Saturn. Also the same as Jupiter. Uranus, Neptune, also the same. Yeah, that looks really cool. And here's the solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Some other sunspots. So I think this is the one that that when it's raining, you see a rainbow. That's because of the sun, and I think it reflects the colors from the sun, and that makes the colors. Like this one, right here, a rainbow. That's really cool. You can make your own rainbow. this thing. Okay, so when you look through this, there are two rainbows. I mean, red, blue, and green. These are most known stars that you can see when you're looking from Earth. I think that's the one on this. Oh, the one on the center right there. The one that's in orange that lights up. That's the sun, and it shows everything around it. Oh, and also the cool thing is, it has a clock table. It says, so it's like north to the 6 o'clock, that's 9 o'clock, that's 12. Pretty cool. 18. I don't know if it's actually a clock. I don't know. It looks like it though. As you can see, when you look from the side, it's just like balls right there. But when you look from there, it should be. You can see the famous Orion or Orion. I don't know how to spell it. Bro, can you not? Okay. So right here we have a laser, and we have these glass shapes, and when we put it on, we can just change where the laser is pointing. And these are some Velcro planets that are stuck on the wall of Velcro. And you take these shapes and try to point it on her. Okay, so I could point it on her. Okay, so this is pretty hard. Let's see this one right here. And I'm trying to point it on Jupiter somehow. I don't know how. I think I should choose this one. Yay! I did it. Look at this, guys. Some strange pattern right there. So right here, something that I don't know. It says it's magnetic fields, and when you move this, nothing happens. Only this hair-looking disgusting thing. I don't want to look at this. It looks like hair. Oh, and look at this, guys. Here is our ball. But when it gets faster, it gets smaller. As you can see right there, it's small now. It's super fast. 88 miles per hour. Going back to the future. Okay, so it's fast now, and now it's getting slower. And it's big again. So that's awesome. I tried it last time I came here, and I had fun with this. So it says to put the coin in here, and look what will happen. It's super satisfying. Look at that, guys! Just look at that. I'm gonna put the coin right here, This is like a try not to say wow challenge. And look at that. You just put them all in right now. Woo. when you do this while spinning, so it's spinning right now, it's spinning in its own way, boom, fall. You make your own atoms. Here's the instructions. So first, let's try to make H2O. So we get 2 H's and 1 O. And I guess we can just connect it. H2O. Let's see the answer. Yay! I just did it. And let's try to make a harder one that is right here. I guess we're trying to make CH3COOH. I don't know what that is. So you need 4 H's, 2 C's, and 2 O's. And it's CH3, so I guess we need C, then H, CH. Okay, so I think we have to connect 3 H's. CH squared, cube. C, O, H. Oh my gosh. This is falling apart. Okay, so I think this is the thing. Let's see the answer. No. I connected these. This one has to be here. And this one has to be like this. Now I'm right. Okay. I thought I will not fail. This, maybe you can make your own formula. I don't know. Whoa, I just noticed. A gigantic Saturn, guys. What if it falls on my head like, I'm like right here and then it's bang. I hope it won't fall down. It's super cool. Yeah. Also, Jupiter. This is cool. This is our solar compass clock sun flashlight. I don't know what this is. Okay, so here's our sun. And we start at east, obviously. We start over here at 6 a.m. And right here it says, it shows us a clock. And the clock moves. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., 13 a.m., 1 p.m. 14 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m.
Have a good night.
We have something, I don't know what it is. It says, go there. I'm gonna go there. Okay. And there's a gigantic something. It means I'm Earth. And this is I don't know what it is. Oh, I got it. So you look from here, there's no one. But when you look like this, it's happening. Like this, it's full moon. Like this, it's again happening. No. Hope you guys heard what I said, because I don't know. Also here, guys, it's how people thought Earth looked before. So some people thought it was like this. It's just a sphere with ocean and one island. Another one is that it's a snake, then yeah, on, and then another island. Some people thought it was also this. Some people thought it was this. Some people thought it was this. Some people thought it was this. But no, the earth is round. It's not flat. And also these telescopes right there. Yeah, I'm gonna show them in the pictures later. So yeah, souvenir shop, and we're going to buy something, I guess. I have my money. So guys, there's space food in here. Space food. Rice cake. Maybe gratin, I don't know, takoyaki, milk crepe, strawberry shortcake. They eat cake in space. Oh my gosh. Vanilla ice cream, chocolate cake, okonomiyaki, pudding, onigiris, also some canned products, space bread. That's pretty cool. Okay, so there's a DIY telescope. Guys, there's meteorites for only $4. Real meteorites. These are not for. These are $10 because these are big. These are $5 because these are a bit smaller. But for $4, I mean $3.24, you get a smaller one. I think I'm buying this one. So let's choose the biggest one in here. The biggest one. I don't really care where the meteorite landed. I'm getting this one. This, where did it land? I don't know. Oh, this landed in 1576, guys. That's a lot of time ago. I'm buying this. And also, there's a lot of other souvenirs you can buy. For example, your paper nano, space shuttle, space puzzles, some other metallic puzzles, pens, and stuff like that. So let's go buy this. $4, $3.24. I bought a meteorite, guys. That's awesome. I've never ever had a meteorite before. So, good check.
Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder. Thunder, lightning, and the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason.
hope you enjoyed this 30-minute video, and I've got a meteorite for myself. This was really fun to look at. Telescopes, planets, other stuff. It was really fun. If you're a space fan like me, absolutely go to this place. One good thing is that this is right next to my house. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, click that little bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
On my phone, like, what's up there?